back to another adventure. We are today doing some yabby pumping. Yes, we're doing some yabby pumping in hope that we can get some bait. But there's not too many holes in the sand, which is concerning, but that's okay. Let's give it a whirl. It's gross black mud, that's disgusting. Look at these little soldier crabs. In the holes they go. They're everywhere. It's like the ground is alive. And they bury. We're going on an adventure. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's like we're in the jungle. Look at where we are. Any minute a crocodile is gonna come crawling out of here. We can give it a whirl. I think they're all soldier crab holes though. Look at them, there's thousands of soldier crabs in here. Nah, what are they? Toadfish. Alrighty. So team, we've given up on bait pumping for the moment, but look at all the soldier crabs running around. That's so cute. But the best part about having kayaks is you can get into places that normally you shouldn't be able to. So we're hoping that we might find a fish in here of the mangrove jack species. Fingers crossed team, look at it. It's like perfect. So good. If we don't find a mangrove jack, we'll probably find a crocodile. But that's okay. Let's go. These fishies. There's some more crab traps, not ours. Josh is Natural Element. And we're just taking a leisurely jungle cruise. Just waiting for a crocodile to come flying out of the mangroves. Not really, jokes. We don't have crocodiles this far down. We're in northern New South Wales, so definitely not crocodiles, thankfully. That's a northern Queensland issue, not a northern New South Wales issue. We want to catch the ones that we colloquially call crocs, which is the flathead. But that's okay, we're just casually moseying, seeing if we can go yabby pumping. Next! Oh, at your toe. Got him. Oh, there's his claw. Found what we're looking for, team. These bad boys. Saltwater yabbies. No good to eat, but great to catch fish with. So we've got 5 so far. Probably need about 10 times that, but there's no way we're going to be pumping for that many. So we're just getting what we can, seeing how we go. Some more of the holes in here. There's another regular. Ooh, got him. Ooh, ow. You got a big... Oh, hey, look at the size of him. Look at his claw. He's huge. Ooh, got him. Got him. Oh,
There's one.
oh, yeah, got it. Oh, there's
Oh,
two. Here.
Beauty.
Your beauty, 2 for the price of 1.
There's one there. 2, 3.
Where?
There's that one.
Oh, yeah, I think it was a 4. Oh,
Yep,
2. Got him. Lost the plugger.
Oh. There's one.
Look at the size of him.
Oh,
Oh no. Look at him. Ow! He bit me. Look at that. Oh, another one.
Beauty. Another one.
So the plan for these as well, it may look like we're starting to accumulate a few, but ones we don't use, we're taking home to take fishing. Oh, wait. To use fishing when we go to... Oh, 2! We're going to use them for bait at Kubi and Leslie because cod and yellow belly love these bad boys. I'm not entirely sure why, because it's not something that they eat, but who are we to make the rules? But we'll show you what we were using when we were yabby pumping, just a normal yabby pump. I'm sure there's some sort of a gauge, but I'm pretty sure it's a Wilson yabby pump. We do have a sieve that we didn't use, that we should have just been, look, just something just here too, that we should have been using so that we catch everything, but where's the fun in that? We gotta give them a fighting chance, right? So that's what we were using. A few of these bad boys. So some saltwater yabbies. We are hoping that we catch something with them. I'd like to catch a big flatty or a nice whiting. A good whiting would be good. But let's see what we get. Stay tuned for the next video where we might show you what we caught with it, if anything. Otherwise, we'll definitely be freezing them and taking them home and using them at Kubi and or Leslie, or a freshwater dam anyway. But that's it from us for this video. Hope you enjoyed us watching us pump yabbies. Well, Josh pumped yabbies for most of it. Till the next one, peace. Yeah, we might be able